In this video, I will show you how to use GoHighLevel for contractors. So I'll go over everything you can do with GoHighLevel, which is quite a lot, specifically for contracting businesses. Now, first of all, usually GoHighLevel offers a 14-day free trial. If you sign up to GoHighLevel through the link in the description, you will get an extended 30-day free trial. So if you're interested in claiming your 30-day free trial, go ahead and click on the link down in the description to get started for free. Now, after creating your account, you will get into an agency dashboard right here. From here, what you want to go ahead and do is click sub-accounts, then in the top right, click add sub-account. Now, they don't have a snapshot specifically for contractors yet, so we're just going to start with a blank snapshot and click on select and continue. Now, from here, just search your business address, then here enter your account info and click save in the bottom. So then after you set up your sub-account, go and click on switch to sub-account. So from within the sub-account is where you can actually use GoHighLevel for your business. Now if you want to run Facebook ads to actually get leads for contracting jobs, then what you can do is here in the launchpad, just go and click on connect to Facebook, and once you do that, then every single lead that comes in through your Facebook ads will also be in your contacts right here. But if you don't want to run Facebook ads, then what I recommend you to get started with is to click on sites right here. Now if you already have a good looking website, then you want to head into the chat widget right here and click new, and then set up a live chat, and then you can add something like this to your website wherever it's hosted, whether it's WordPress, Squarespace or any other platform, and you can go and customize the style, so you can do with or without profile pictures, you can select the colors, and you can just go and customize everything about it. And if people click right here, they can then ask a question and then you can answer that in GoHighLevel. But what you can also do is set up Conversation AI, which is an AI chatbot that you can train to answer the questions that people ask right here and to basically collect leads. So I'll show you how you can set that up. So for now, just go and click save, and then you can click on get code in the top right, either for WordPress or a different website builder. And in a minute, I'll show you how you can set up the Conversation AI. But if you don't have a website yet, or you don't have a good looking website, then just head into the website section here and click new website and click from templates, click continue. Now here, pick the category that is most similar to yours. For example, I will go with home services. So then you have, for example, full service construction, a construction company, lawn services and stuff like this. So just find something that is kind of similar to what you do. Could also be roofing. For example, I will go with home repair services and click on it right here, then click continue. Now it doesn't need to match exactly what you do, since it's really easy to customize these websites. Now here you will see your website. You can switch in between pages right here and just go and add your own images and text and stuff like that. So you can just click on anything in order to just go and change what it says. You can add any buttons you want, and it's really simple. If you click plus right here, then you can add any kind of element that it shows right here. Now you can also build funnels using GoHighLevel. So if you click funnels and then click new funnel, you can again pick a template, then choose whichever industry you're in. Again, I'll go home services. And then here you can get a funnel, and then you can collect leads by promoting that funnel. Now GoHighLevel is also really good to set up automations. So go to automation right here, and from here you can set up a workflow. So click create workflow. Now they have a bunch of templates, for example, lead nurture using GPT history, missed call, WhatsApp back, and a bunch more right here. But you can also just start from scratch, and then you will see what it looks like right here. So this is the automation builder, and now it kind of depends on what you want to build it for. But first you want to add a new trigger. So for example, as my trigger, I will do when a form is submitted, and click save trigger. Now you can also add multiple triggers, for example, when a Facebook lead form is submitted, a TikTok form is submitted, or a LinkedIn, or even when there's a funnel or website page view. But I'll just do these two right here. And now you can add an action that happens when the trigger goes off. So for example, create a contact. So when somebody submits the form, I want them to turn into a contact, so therefore I'm going to say create contact. And then here you can add the fields that you want to collect. So for example, I will say the full name and maybe their phone number. And then click save action, and now a contact will be created when this happens. Now if you click plus, you can add more stuff, and you can see there's a whole lot of things you can do. You can even issue a certificate if you want to do that. So there's a lot of things you can do with this. You can also send automated invoices, send Stripe charges or documents and contracts. You can create opportunities in your pipeline, and you can use AI to do stuff. But basically here you can just go and set up any automation that you want. Then in the marketing section right here, you can connect all your social profiles and actually connect your social media through here. You can also set up snippets, which is text that you send often to specific questions. So then once somebody asks you a question, you can just click on it and then it will automatically send that. Now the live chat messages that I showed you earlier will show up here in the conversations. So here you can see all the messages that you have gotten on Instagram, Facebook, through your live chat widget on your website, and a bunch more places. Now if you want to set up the AI for your website live chat, then you can click settings here, then go to conversation AI. Now here set it to autopilot if you want it to send messages automatically, and you can use it for all of these. So for example, I'll just set it up for live chat, then go and click save. Now here in the bot training section, just enter the URL to the website of your contracting business. So then it will analyze that website and get all the data, so that when somebody asks a question, then it will know the answer if it is on the website. If it's not, just go and include FAQs right here. So add a question and answer, and then it will also know the answer to certain questions that are often asked. Now in configure intents, you can have it book appointments for you on autopilot, or you can choose to just use it for support and general Q&A. You can also set up calendars using GoHighLevel. So if you go to calendars, you can click new calendar right here. Then you can choose what you want to do. So a service calendar, a simple calendar, round robin, class booking or collective booking. Now for a contracting business, you will probably want to have the simple calendar. So click on select right here. Now here give it a name. Then you can add a URL. You can choose how long meetings take. You can choose when you're open and the days that you're open. And you can add any locations. Now for contracting businesses, you probably want to get the service calendar. So click select right here. Then here you can add any staff members. You can choose the URL. You can choose how long a service takes. And in advanced settings right here, you can also set up more advanced settings. So you can also use GoHighLevel to book in meetings and to basically schedule all your staff members. You can also collect payments through GoHighLevel, so you can send invoices and payment links and stuff like that. In opportunities, you have a pipeline that you can use. So here in the pipeline section, you can go and create a new pipeline and then add stages where you can then add your contacts to that pipeline. Finally, I want to show you the reputation right here. So when you use GoHighLevel's calendar, everyone that books in on your calendar will also be a contact in your GoHighLevel account. Now you can send review requests to those contacts through email and SMS, and then they can leave a review wherever you want them to leave a review, for example on Google or Trustpilot, wherever you want to collect your reviews. So you can set that up in settings right there. So there's a bunch of things you can do with GoHighLevel for a contracting business. Again, if you claim the 30-day free trial instead of 14 days and create your free account, you will get an offer to have someone from GoHighLevel's team right here help you with setting up your business. So it's the onboarding call, so you can simply go and join that. And I do recommend doing that because then someone will help you for your business specifically, and they can really help you set everything up as well. So that concludes this tutorial on how to use GoHighLevel for contractors. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you